Welcome to another episode of the Tech Wizard series. My name is Sergio Zurita, and I'm a product engineer with Panasonic. In this episode, we will cover the Panasonic TOUGHBOOK FZ40, known for its extreme reliability, maximum productivity, and we will dive into the sustainable design. The TOUGHBOOK 40 has 8 user upgradable areas, and all can be purchased as accessories. In this video, we'll go over the removal and installation of the palm rest expansion area. Panasonic disclaimer. The customer is liable for any damage to the system or replacement component while servicing the unit. In this event, the customer will be responsible for any and all charges related to repair of the system by the Panasonic National Service Center. For the palm rest expansion area, you have 3 options: the fingerprint reader with Windows Hello, and the fingerprint reader with multi-user authentication, and lastly, the contactless smart card reader. To start, using a number 1 screwdriver, remove all 4 screws. Then simply lift the xPAK to remove. Then to reinstall, just insert it back in and install the 4 screws to lock it in place. And all done. Thank you for joining this episode of the Tech Wizard series. If you have any questions, you can contact Panasonic support at 1-800-LAPTOP-5 or email us at toughbook@us.panasonic.com.